In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Bybit account to TradingView step by step. This allows you to trade directly from TradingView while analyzing live market data more efficiently. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into both your Bybit and TradingView accounts. Now, open TradingView, and from the homepage, hover your mouse at the top of the screen and click on Supercharts. This will open the full chart interface where we can connect Bybit. At the bottom of your screen, you'll find the Trading panel. This is where all the available broker connections are listed. Click on All Brokers and scroll until you find Bybit. Once you see it, click Connect. A new page will pop up asking you to sign in to your Bybit account again for verification. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter your code to confirm. After signing in, you'll see a page asking for permission to connect TradingView with Bybit. Click Authorize and it will automatically close the window once the connection is complete. You're now successfully connected. Your Bybit trading panel is linked with TradingView, allowing you to place trades, view your positions, and analyze markets all in one place. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more TradingView and Bybit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.